Now, a lot of you guys who watch my channel know the setup that I praise, right? Which is my Okuma setup. This is the Okuma DTR Custom. It's awesome, it's sensitive, it has a lot of power. It has that forgiveness as well on the tip. That way you can, as you guys can see, you can let the bass eat the bait and pull away from you before it notices that it has the bait and you can drill them. That is my rod. That is my go-to all-time favorite rod is the Okuma DTR Custom. Then here I have the Okuma HAKAI reel. You can see that right there. It's the Okuma HAKAI. Again, love it. Hands down my favorite, low profile. This is the gold, right? The gold ring right here, which is the 7:3 gear ratio. It's perfect for jigging and flipping, and it's so universal. 7.3 is like perfect. I do have the 8-1 too, but that's like my flipping, fast-paced fishing rod, fishing combo. But this one right here, I just want to tell you guys about it. I don't know, to me, this setup right here is like everything. I can use this rod all day long. I can flip all day long. I can cast all day long. I can catch bass all day long. Now it looks really small and more like finesse presentation, which is kind of true. This is like my finesse flipping power combo, if that make any sense. Like I can trust this rod. I can drill fish as hard as I can and it won't break on me. Not yet, knock on wood, right? Yeah, this is the rod that I like to use of all time. Like it's my all-time favorite flipping rod, or just targeting bass as well. So if you want, check it out on OkumaUSA.com. Leave the link down below. Okuma HAKAI, Okuma DTR. Check them out. They're awesome. I love it. Let's get back to fishing.